Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I got something a little different for you. It's from Retivis, and it's a set of earbuds, and they're wireless, and they're the different technology in that they're not those bulky earbuds you see. These are small earbuds. See right here, and then all the electronics is in this neck ring that goes around your neck, so you don't have those heavy earbuds that you've seen advertised other places. And what you can do is you can use this with a wireless transmitter to listen to your shortwave radio throughout the house. You can get one of these, which I've showed you before. You can get one of these little FM transmitters, or you can get a Bluetooth one, and this will receive Bluetooth and FM. Yes, it will tune the FM band. Now this is the model. Here's the manual. This is the model TR108. It's on sale right now, and I also got a discount code from them that I'll put in the first comment below this video, and you can get an additional 15% off. So let me see if I can show this to you. It comes with charging cable, uses USB for charging. Comes with some extra earpieces right there. Does not come with my little munchkin. Let me get him out of the way. So let me pull it carefully out of this little container, and we'll move this out of the way. And so there they are. This fits around your neck, so the electronics are in these two side pods, so the weight is on your neck instead of in your ears, and then you plug these into your ear. And it's 3 buttons over here. Actually, there's 4 buttons over here. And we have the power button, the up-down button, and the mode button. So to turn it on, we hold the power button for 3 seconds. And let me turn this over because there's a display. I'm trying to remember which one it's on. Let me just push and hold here. And maybe this is the power button. There we go. Long end. Okay, so you can see now it's flashing BL for Bluetooth. It comes up in the Bluetooth mode, so it's now ready to connect to a Bluetooth device similar like your cell phone, for instance. And it does have a microphone and, of course, the earbuds, so you can use it to talk on your cell phone. Okay, now what happens is once it comes up and it's running in Bluetooth mode, then your other device will see it, and you can select the word Retivis, and then that'll connect to these earbuds. And like I say, you can use these buttons on the side to answer a call, to end a call, whatever. And I was wrong initially. This button down here is the function button. This is the power button right here, the first one. And then this is the up, down, plus it does other things besides just changing the volume. It can change the frequency. So if we want to go into the FM mode, in the FM mode, because we're in Bluetooth, we hit the power button again. And now you can see here it's displaying a frequency. Now this is, a super wide band. In other words, it goes down to, let me see if the manual says here, it's not just for the US. Goes down to 50, it starts at 50 megahertz. So I thought at first it wasn't working because I was using the scan function, and it wasn't finding any stations. And then I realized when I looked at this thing here, it was still down around 60 megahertz. So it hadn't even gotten up to the US band yet. So now that we have it in that mode, we can use the up-down buttons here and have it go up and down in frequency, or you can push and hold either the up or down, and it will scan for the next strongest station. And unfortunately, I can't show you actually using it because they're earbuds. But anyway, so if I come over here, let me see if I can hold this up right. See, there it's now it's going down in frequency. Whoops, there it went. 105. There it goes. And then you can push and hold, and now it's scanning and out of found station. Let me see if I can hear it. Yeah, I can hear it. Sorry you can't hear it, but I can hear it. So it works as a Bluetooth earbuds, say for your cell phone, or an FM receiver. And like I said before, you can get one of these little transmitters, which I demonstrated already. This is the FM one. You can get a Bluetooth one. You plug this into the output of your shortwave radio, and then you can use these earbuds to listen to it all over the house. Now, I have a set of the other earbuds, which are totally self-contained, but they're quite heavy compared to these, of course. And I have a problem is that if I move around, they have a tendency to pop out. Matter of fact, the first day I used it, I had to go to the bathroom, and I had them in my ear, and I went to the bathroom, and they fell in the toilet. Luckily, they were waterproof. That's about it. Again, you can use these buttons in the middle for tuning up and down the dial and changing the volume. Change the volume in the FM mode. You press the up and down key together. That puts it in the volume mode, shows the volume on the display. Let me see if I can do that. Don't know if I can. I can't quite get around to holding it. Yeah. So now it's showing, oh, I changed it. I'm sorry. It changed it to stereo. So you can have either mono or stereo. Because the default is mono. And it's charged via the cable that comes with it. You have to supply the AC adapter or use your computer, for instance, to charge it. A little charging port on the side, on one side here. Where'd it go? I can't find it. It's hidden so well, I can't. Oh, there it is, right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there, let me see if I can peel it up. There's a little port there. Can't quite get my finger in it. Oh, I had it. There it is. There's a little charging port for charging it. And they say it'll play about 8 hours using Bluetooth and about 5 hours if you're using the FM receiver. Pretty neat. Again, I got this from Retivis. The model number is TR108. It's on sale right now. Plus, I will put a discount code down in the first comment. And if you get on soon, the discount code will still be good. It will expire. I don't know exactly when. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I want to thank Retivis for sending me this stuff. I really like their products. And have a great day. Bye-bye.